So today, you'll learn how to show your location in the REDnote app. So the first step is to launch the app. And then once you've launched the app, you then need to navigate to your profile editor. And to do that, you want to start by tapping on Me in the bottom right corner of your screen. And then from here, you want to select Edit Profile for all you iPhone users. If you're using an Android phone, just tap on the profile option next to the settings icon that you'll see on your screen. So either way, you'll be brought to the profile editor. Then from here, you actually want to tap on the option Location. So the next step is to ensure that you actually have a location selected for your profile. So as you can see, I already have a location added. If this is your first time, you can just tap on Select Region like that. And then REDnote will ask if it can have access to your location. You'll need to confirm that, and then it will automatically detect your location, give you a region, and you can just tap on it to confirm. If you don't want to use that selected region, you can just scroll through the list and choose your own personalized region and then select it. So once you've selected your location, you want to then come to this option said publicly display, and then you should see the option show location. So currently it's disabled, which means that whenever someone views my profile, they won't be able to see my location. So in order for people to be able to actually see your location, you need to enable this option like that. Then you need to tap on confirm to apply those changes. And then so that you can actually save it to your profile, you need to tap on save, and you need to confirm these modifications, because if you don't do this, then all the changes that you've just applied will not be applied. So tap on save. And now anybody who tries to view your account will also be able to tell your current location. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.